Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck has 105,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features an attractive gold exterior complemented by a clean tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a mildly built 350 V8 engine with approximately 2,000 miles since the build, delivering strong and reliable performance. The 4x2 drivetrain makes it well suited for comfortable daily driving and light-duty use. Overall, the truck is in excellent condition both mechanically and cosmetically. The interior is well kept, showing minimal wear for its age, while the exterior presents very well. It has been properly maintained, needs nothing at this time, and is ready to be driven and enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 2.
1985 Ford F250, price $9,500, with only 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder carbureted engine. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck remains largely original and has never been modified beyond regular maintenance. It is a second-owner vehicle that has been owned by the current owner for approximately 30 years. The original paint is still intact, and the matching truck cap is color-coordinated. While it is far from perfect, the truck is in very good condition for its age of around 40 years. All features and components function as they should. The brake pedal currently feels very stiff, however, after being driven about 15 miles from Bowling Green to the owner's home, the brakes noticeably improved. This may indicate a minor issue or simply that the truck needs to be driven more regularly.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet S10, price $8,995, powered by a reliable 4.3L Vortec V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 69,000 original miles and runs very well, with smooth shifting and consistent performance. It features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior and uses gasoline as its fuel type. The vehicle is equipped with brand new 235/60/15 tires, providing a comfortable and stable ride. Convenience features include power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks. Both the heating and air conditioning systems function properly, ensuring comfort in various driving conditions. Overall, everything on the truck works as it should, making this S10 a dependable, easy-to-drive pickup that has been well cared for and is ready for daily use or light-duty work.
Number 4.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It has 81,000 miles and comes with a clean Indiana title. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a Cam 350 small block Chevy paired with a turbo 350 transmission, running on gasoline. The truck features a black exterior with a brown interior, giving it a classic and bold square body look. The vehicle is fitted with long tube headers, an Edelbrock Performer carburetor, polished valve covers, and Black Widow mufflers, delivering a strong sound and solid performance. An odometer Phantom 2 tachometer has been added, and it sits on new black Kragar wheels sized 15x8 with new Cooper Cobra tires. This is a solid, classic square body Chevy that turns heads everywhere it goes and draws attention wherever it's driven.
Number 5.
1979 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. This is a solid classic truck that offers both power and classic American styling. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The exterior is finished in a tan color that complements the brown interior, giving the truck a timeless and well-matched appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 454 big block engine paired with a 400 transmission, providing strong torque and reliable performance. The truck is fitted with Alcoa wheels wrapped in like-new tires, which not only enhance its appearance but also contribute to a smooth and confident ride. Overall, the truck runs and drives well.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,975. This truck has 235,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior and gray interior and has been well maintained with many recent upgrades. The transmission was rebuilt less than 3,000 miles ago, and the truck now has a heavy-duty suspension with 1-ton General Springs, 7-stack rear leaf springs, and new Gabriel shocks. It also comes with newer model Chevrolet larger wheels and tires, a brand new catback BRE exhaust system, and fresh paint on the hood and cab roof due to prior oxidation. Recently serviced, the truck runs and drives perfectly and is in very clean condition.
Number 7.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has approximately 40,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. It comes in a tan exterior color and is equipped with a fully functional 4x4 system, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. The truck does have some body damage as well as minor interior wear, which is reflected in its overall condition. Mechanically, the truck is in good shape. The engine was replaced with a rebuilt crate engine by Files Automotive and currently has around 35,000 miles on it. It runs and drives great, with strong performance and reliable operation. The vehicle has recently been upgraded with new LED headlights for improved visibility, and it also includes new Z71 decals that add to its appearance.
Number 8.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This pickup is a dependable and well-maintained truck that runs strong and drives well. It is powered by a freshly rebuilt 350 engine, giving it solid performance and reliability.
The truck is equipped with new fuel injectors and a new battery, ensuring smooth operation and easy starts.
The 4x4 system is fully functional, making it capable in different road and weather conditions. Inside, the interior is in very good condition and well cared for, providing a comfortable driving experience, with the only minor issue being a cracked dash. With 145,000 miles, this Chevrolet 1500 remains a practical and reliable truck, ideal for daily driving, work, or general transportation.
Number 9.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck comes powered by a strong and reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has 201,000 miles. The truck features a black exterior and a straight, solid body with no rust, reflecting how well it has been maintained over the years. Overall, it is in clean condition and presents a great foundation for its next owner. Although a fresh paint job would help enhance its appearance, the truck remains very usable as it is and still has plenty of life left. Thanks to its dependable V8 power, automatic transmission, and solid body, this Chevrolet 1500 is ideal for someone looking for a project truck or a practical daily driver with classic full-size truck appeal.
Number 10.
1979 Chevrolet K10, price $8,500. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a black exterior that gives it a tough, timeless look. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing reliable performance in the classic Chevrolet V8 driving experience. The truck is fitted with factory-style amenities that add to its overall comfort, including air conditioning and power windows, making it more enjoyable for both daily driving and weekend use. It rides on 10-inch truck rally wheels wrapped in aggressive 35-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, giving it a strong off-road stance and enhanced capability on rough terrain. As with many trucks of this era, there is visible rust on the rocker panels and in the front section of the bed floor, which reflects its age and use over the years. Despite this, the vehicle remains a solid platform for restoration, customization, or continued use as a classic utility truck.